Siguro malaki inabot nito ah.
Palang may
Ang ganda nung combination niya. Alright, good morning mga paps. Dito tayo ngayon sa Kabukiran. Wow! Ayan, nasa Timonan, Quezon tayo. So, napakaganda ng rest house dito. Pupuntahan natin sa loob. So, pasukin natin at titingnan natin kung anong meron sa loob mga paps. So, ito nga pala si Boy Vera. Kung pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, paki-subscribe naman dyan. Okay, let's go! Tara, pasok tayo. So, ito yung magiging swimming pool nila dito. Inaayos nila. Nilagyan muna nila ng tilapia para masubukan yung tubig kung hindi siya magbabawas. Ayan. So, in the future, malaman natin kung ano magiging itsura nito. So, puro tilapia ito mga paps. Ginawa mo ng mga patilapia ni boss yan. So, pasok tayo. Tingnan natin sa loob. Anong ginagawa niyo?
Kukunin namin yung time capsule namin. May papel.
Hmm? Ah. Ganda na. Ganda na. Pwede na. Ito si Boss GR yung bantay dito. Oh. Ito yung may-ari ng ng mansyon. Ito yung bayaw ko. Bayaw. Ganda na. Ganda na ng bahay ah. Okay na. Sino bang kalaban?
Guys namin no, naglumaw po dito.
Bakit? Pagtalbog siguro.
So, lumubur ang mali daw gumawa. Galit kaya ba?
Babalikan nila.
Tapos na. Nalinis na.
Ganda ng bahay niyo, boss ah. Siguro malaki inabot nito ah.
Palang may
Kulang-kulang ano, mahigit. House tour muna tayo dito sa bahay ni boss. Ito. Kakagawa lang nito ng kwarto. Ito yung magiging... Ito yung kwarto nila, boss, tsaka nila madam. Ganda nun. Wala ah. Hindi na nakita.
Kalagyan, ma.
Okay, dito si madam. Ito yung may-ari. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung kwarto nila. Ang ganda na ng kwarto, no? Ang ganda nung combination niya. Saka yung kulay. Tamang-tama lang. Wala pa. Inaayos ko pa nga. So, tingnan natin siya. Wow, ganda. Ano ko pa lang eh.
Oo, ano sa dulo? May malalim. May malalim.
Ganda. So, parang ang problema na lang natin, labas na lang, no?
Oo, pag nagawa niya.
Labas na lang kulang natin, boss. Labas.
Wala lang.
Ha? Ilang projects na lang yan. So, tingnan mo dito sa loob, halos tapos na siya. Wala na tayong halos gagawin dito. Ha? Cabinet na lang. Bar naman to. Ha? Oo, tara, silipin natin sa taas. Tara, house tour tayo. Ito yung may-ari niya, no? Si Boss Dani. Ganda na ng bahay. Ito na lang, swimming pool. Ginawa kasi tilapiahan to para malaman kung ano, may tagas o wala.
Diyan, tira naman na kayo. Tuloy natin.
Tara, ano ba tayo? 61? Ikutin ko lang sa taas. 61 ba? O, ito yung taas. Akit tayo.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you. But in the standing true, don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go too far when it's written in the counting stars. I try leaving, tried it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Yeah. Ooh. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small.
Mas babanda rin. Parang mas maganda ka kaysa dun sa resort, sa Pansol.
Oo, maganda to. Wala yung mga PK yun nandun.
Di ba tumagayo kayo yung nagyari dyan sa yun?
Saan ba yun?
Highway?
Tapos highway.
Pipin mo, may tsamba pa yan.
Oo. Muntik pa. Wala si Jose pa.
Pasok?
Ha?
Pasok.
Dala-dalawa boy ah.
Table. Tigil siya kayo. No?
Ay, masyilti nga. Asma, manak.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So, ay, alam na naman ni Madi yan eh.